Hey there, in this video I'll be demonstrating the Arduino Mega 2560 using KiCad. So I'll cover the schematic, the footprint assignment, the 3D view, and also the PCB design. Let's get into it. Okay, so first off, you open your KiCad software and you open your project. So I have my project open. I'll go into it. Here's our schematic of the Arduino Mega 2560 components into arranged, and also I've assigned footprints to each component. So taking this capacitor for instance, to assign a footprint, you click on it, press F on your keyboard, come to this side and assign a footprint to it. You could also view the 3D of the footprint you are taking. Now you also have each part labeled very well with their values. Don't forget to do that as well. Now places where there are no connections, we place in the place no power flag. That's the Q, the connect flag. So you just come there, press Q on your keyboard to assign that to it. Also, let's check for errors here in our design. So to check for the errors in the design, you come to the side, you click on errors, and you run the ERC, electrical risk checker. So let's wait, there are no errors here in our design. So we can continue to load this on our PCB. Now you could also click here to assign a footprint. Click on this, wait for it to load, and you click here apply save schematic and continue. So yeah, these are the footprints I've assigned. So okay, and I can continue to load that on my PCB. So to do that, you press on F8 on your keyboard to load that on your PCB. Now here's our PCB. It's been loaded. Now you could see some edits here. I've done that already, and I've routed my design. So I can go on and then run my 3D model of how our Arduino Mega 250 is going to look like. So I can go on and run my 3D view of how this design will look like. So you come to this side, click here, or Alt+3 on your keyboard to view the 3D. Now here's the 3D of my design. See my USB microcontroller. Now you could also see text here as well. Now to add the text, just come back to your PCB, come to the front screen, select text, add in your text, press enter if you want it to be bold, and yeah, you read the 3D and your text is there, it's right there. That brings me to the end of this video. I would like to say it's been a great experience learning KiCad. This project has really helped me understand the complete PCB design process using KiCad, taking the Arduino Mega 2560 for instance. Yeah. So throughout the electronics modeling and design course, I've learned how to create schematics, to assign the correct footprint to components, design and route PCB layout, also and carry basic design checks. That's the electrical fluid checker, and also using the 3D view to visualize the final board before manufacturing. These are all practical skills that I'll be able to apply in the future in electronic projects. Thank you very much for watching this video.